In this video, we will talk about the best indicator for beginners that we have developed some time ago. More than 2 weeks it is developed, and this indicator is very powerful and it is straightforward, and it is a very profitable indicator because it's, first of all, it's straightforward in nature, and the second thing about this indicator that it is using the very good high probability combinations based on the levels that are working very fine. Okay, so let me give you an example that how this indicator works. Okay, you can see the three levels are there on your screen. If you go to the settings option, you can even increase the depth, like it is currently on depth 1, but if you choose the depth 2, and now you can see the levels are now more far. Okay, now you can set up these levels according to your choice. Okay, because if you are a long-term trader, you can even choose the depth 3, depth 2, but if you are a short-term trader, then you should at least have the depth 1 in that case. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how this indicator works very well. You can see we have the three levels on our chart, and you can see the we will basically not take our trade on the blue level. We will first wait for the price to cross over each other. That is why there is a role of moving average from here. So once the price has reached to the moving average, you have two scenarios here. Okay, you have two scenarios, like if you want to play with the retracement from the moving averages, you can keep on selling because previously it was into the downtrend, but now you can see once the price has reached to the blue level, then we mostly find the bullish entry. Otherwise you can keep on selling, but because this is the sign, now the trend can get changed. And what we do, you can see the two moving averages cross over with each other here, and that was the bullish crossover at this point. Then you can see simply the price has targeted the middle level, and then it has made a retest on the middle level, and then you can see the price has moved to the upward side. Okay, the second example, you know very well that big Bitcoin has pumped very well yesterday. So it was very simple, because there was a bullish crossover, and the market was on the red level on that time, and you can keep on buying on that time. The red level must be somewhere here, so you keep on buying from the moving averages. The keep on buying, because until unless there is no bearish crossover, you are not supposed to take a sell position. You can simply keep yourself into that direction. Okay, now let me give you the Bitcoin USD example. You can see we have the three levels, and throughout the morning we kept on buying, like buying here on the moving averages, buying here, because the market crosses the green zone, and now it was clear that the market was going to target the upper side. Okay, now it has already targeted the upper side, and now you can see the two moving averages have crossed with each other. Now this was the bearish sign, and you can see the Bitcoin has reached to its first target, that was the green level. And then if the Bitcoin, let's say if the Bitcoin decides to go further down, then it will make a retest at the same level, and then you will see again it will be targeting the lower side. But let's say if the Bitcoin wants to go up, then it will we will again wait for the moving averages to cross over. Otherwise we will not be entering into any kind of trade. Okay, now I can show you the practical example that how this indicator actually works. Okay, now you can see still the market has touched the red level. Okay, and it comes to retest the moving averages and also the middle level. You can take a buying chance. Until unless there is no bearish crossover, you are not supposed to take a sell position. Okay, so this is the simple indicator that I have developed, and these levels are based on the big player levels who basically operate the trading market, and I have analyzed their levels that they work very well. Because if you are good in finding the levels, then it's very good for you. For example, look at USDCHF. It was coming from the upper top red side. Okay, we have the bearish crossover somewhere here, and now we will be keep on selling, and then we will see the behavior at the green level. First of all, it hit the green level, it made another bullish crossover, you kept a buying chance, and then again it come down. Now again you see a bearish crossover. So just watch the behavior of the price at the green level, and now you can see the market dropped below, and everything kept below the moving averages, and then it has targeted the blue level. So guys, what do you need else in that case? This is the simplest indicator. Now how you can book the lifetime version of this indicator? So guys, first of all, please note that our main channel is the FX Mentor official Telegram channel. Okay, so always join our Telegram channel from the link that we have given in the description of this video below, because lot of scammers are have made their they are using our brand name and they are making the other people fool, and they are scamming. Okay, so don't be a part of that scam. Always join. If you go and open the description of this video, you will find a Telegram channel link, and you can come to us and directly join the channel that having a big community, and the other are just running the Telegram channels with the 150 members, so do not be a part of them. Okay, always, whenever you are going to join, always join through the link, and this is the best indicator, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator just by contacting on Telegram. Otherwise, you can visit our website and fxmentorus.com. If you go to the contact us option, you can also email us, and you can also send your messages on Telegram. The Telegram link is also given on our main website as well. And guys, this is the most powerful indicator that is available for TradingView, and you will be simply amazed at how this indicator works level to level, and this is the amazing stuff. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version, then just contact on Telegram. You can also email us, and if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe and share.